Hey guys, this is part 2 of Dogs and Drones. It's all ready and go to charge and fly. Dad, can you do the honors of flying?
Yeah.
Okay, when you pause it,
I know,
press
top one.
that one. Yeah. Okay. So here we go.
Take off slow.
I can't. It just takes off on its own.
I lost it. There it is.
Damn it.
Really? Why you gotta trim the bushes?
Damn it. Alright, keep rolling. Bird's nest?
No.
Sure as heck looks like one. You get it?
The hell is it? Really, dude? Slow it down, man.
Oh shit, it almost hit me.
You're a freaking kook.
Wait! No! Yay! And here I go again.
Do a flip. Oh,
I did a flip!
yeah, right into the damn ground.
And I hit the dog. Alright, I'm gonna do a flip now.
Stay here where it's safe, Jake. Safe. Safe house. Yes, safe.
Damn it. Hold on. Pause the video. Is it rolling?
Yes.
Alright. Whoa. Did you see that? It was all wiggly. Here we go again. Alright.
Jesus Christ.
I can't see it!
You can't see it when it's on the trees. Fail. Super fail.
Well, alright guys, something happened, and oh, okay, you're right, Shoreline. Alright, shit. It's not letting me use Flash. Alright, well, here, let's go to the bathroom. Yeah! It broke. So I will charge it again, fix the propeller, and get back. Alright, guys. So, yeah, the propeller kind of broke when it hit the cement. So I got another propeller. I got my screwdriver somewhere. Oh, jeez, didn't take it out yet. Hold up. Alrighty, got my little screwdriver. So what I'm gonna do in another video, not now, but I took this apart. This is for another helicopter, and I'm gonna take this Apache apart and kind of gut it out, and I'm gonna make it fly. Well, at least try. So yeah, I will get back to you as soon as I'm done charging this thing, and I'll be back with you. Bye. Na, 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 na. Do, 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 do. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, so I fixed it, and I need to find the rest of the guards, which I fucking hope I did not lose. I have a feeling I did lose. Damn it! Oh no! Crap. Hold on. What? Oh, geez, scared the hell out of me.
I'm sorry.
All right, I will be back again. Damn it. It's Lindsay Sterling, right?
No, somebody else.
It's Heathens. We don't deal with outsiders very well. They say newcomers have a certain smell. Yeah, trust issues, not to mention. They say they can smell your intentions.
There's 40 pieces over there by a count of 45.
Said, please don't forget. All my friends are heathens, take it slow. So wait for them to ask you who you know. For them to ask you who you know. I know the whole song, but it's just kind of hard to sing it with, like, violin, I guess. All right. Here we go. Jeez, my mom scared the hell out of me. Okay, I will be back again.